Welcome ladies and gentlemen at Commodity TV, and it's time for a new company introduction, Fiore Gold, an emerging US gold producer. Fiore Gold is a small gold producer working in the USA and is listed under the symbol F on the TSX Venture Exchange and in Frankfurt under the symbol 2FO. The company has approximately 98 million shares outstanding and fully diluted 129.7 million shares. The market capitalization stands around 55 to 60 million Canadian dollars considering the outstanding shares only. With a working capital around 31 million Canadian dollars and cash on hand with over 9 million Canadian dollars per end of September 2019, is the company solidly built up for future growth and well financed. Fiore has several assets. First of all, the Penn mine in Nevada, from where the gold production comes. Secondly, the Gold Rock project, which is federally permitted and also in Nevada. In addition comes the Golden Eagle project in the Washington state, which has a 1.7 million ounce historical gold resource. In Chile holds the company a land position of 1,000 hectares. It is located approximately 25 kilometers south of Goldfields Salares Norte and can be accessed year-round by road. The property has seen minimal exploration and no drilling, but previous work has identified moderate to strong silica-argillic alteration and oxidized vaggy silica characteristic of high sulfidation gold deposits. Let's have a closer look at the Penn mine, which produced in 2019 around 41,000 ounces gold, and the guidance for 2020 is between 45,000 and 48,000 ounces gold according to the company when the new primary crusher works as planned and is installed. This would improve recoveries and will hopefully bring down further the AISC. The AISC reduction in 2019 was as the Penn operation matured and reached the run rate for production on a run-of-mine basis. In 2020 it will first increase due to increased stripping, higher exploration expenditures and crusher working capital ramp-up. Then in the second half of 2020 the AISC should decrease then when all is working hopefully well. With the new crushing circuit in place, should the production increase by 6,000, maybe 7,000 additional gold ounces per year. The company works also on a mine life extension through near mine targets, which were identified through the 2018 drilling program, which extended mining into 2023 already. The inferred resource grew by more than 50%. Around 8.4 million tons of inferred resources are adjacent to existing pits, and the target is to convert them into reserves in the future. The ongoing drill program will continue to expand the resources and reserves and, of course, will extend the mine life. In the future has Fiore Gold in addition regional exploration potential with more than 10 remaining drill-ready exploration targets on the Penn property, which are defined by lithology, alteration and structure, as well as gold and trace element geochemistry. Let's have a look at the second possible organic growth potential, the Gold Rock project, which is federally permitted already and has indicated resources of 238,000 ounces and inferred resources of approximately 181,000 ounces gold. Through federal mining permits in place is the project 5 years ahead compared to similar projects. Fiore expects a PEA in Q1 2020 and targets the feasibility study and production decision by 2021. Important to note is that the grades are approximately 60% higher than in the Penn mine, which gives the company, hopefully, a nice future upside. The resource has an excellent growth potential and they completed a 10,000 meter drilling program recently to better define and grow the resource. Gold Rock is part of a 16-kilometer long trend of favorable alteration, structure and gold anomalies, and is only 8 miles from their operating Penn mine away. Strategy is to share and use the existing Penn infrastructure and operating team, as well as the access road, grid power, carbon handling and refinery, assay lab and more to lift a nice portion of synergies. The Penn CapEx and OpEx experience is directly applicable to Gold Rock and should help to make the construction and building more easy. The exploration upside is also great as the existing resource occupies only a small portion of a 16+ kilometer long prospective trend. Some upcoming catalysts are the Gold Rock PEA in Q1 2020, then the Penn resource expansion drilling in the first half of 2020, followed by the Penn reserve and life of mine update in the second half this year. A possible consolidation of smaller producers through M&A might happen, we don't know, but Fiore wants to unlock value also in Golden Eagle and on their Chile project. A lot of work for the company, and we look forward to hopefully a good news flow. We will keep you posted. Check out the company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.